This closed eye method is best for clients with sensitivity to the light that waters up or twitches uncontrollably.
So with one hand, you're going to gently lift the eyelid, hold the gel pad with your other hand, and at the same time, you'll use your middle finger to gently push down the under eye.
You're going to want to secure the gel pad on the inner corner first, then slowly release onto the lash line.
And to reposition the outer corners, use one hand to lift and the other hand to adjust. You can adjust as many times as needed.
And you're going to repeat the same thing on the other eye.
The tricky thing about the closed eye method is that you always need to use one hand to lift the eyelid, so I find it easier to use tweezers to apply the tape.
Gently lift the eyelid to expose the lower lash line, and then secure the tape. Adjust accordingly.
So now you're just going to create a V shape with the tape.